Hi, I'm Will Williams and I won the Young Designer of the Year competition in 2018. The competition definitely helped my career and it opened up a lot of doors and to new exciting things such as winning commissions for beautiful projects and being sponsored in future shows. Show gardens are also a great way to make new connections with suppliers, landscapers and other people in the industry. They make you pick up the phone and start talking about your garden. They also give you confidence, not only within yourself, but also within your work, which is one of the most important things. Since the competition, I won a gold medal at Hampton Court Flower Show last year for Viking Cruises, the headline sponsor of the show. They got in touch after the Young Designer competition and asked me to pitch for their garden. I created the concept of the garden around the Scandinavian word lagom, meaning not too much, not too little, just right. Our goal for the garden was to use this and say not too much for us, not too little for nature, just right. So everything in the garden had an aspect not only for us, but also for wildlife. I've also had the opportunity to design gardens overseas in Nigeria, Ireland, and I'm currently pitching to design a garden in Malta. These have all had a knock-on effect from the Young Designer of the Year. The best part of my job is seeing something turn from concept on paper to something that is real and you can physically be in. As a creative, I can normally visualize how I'd like everything to be. However, once the project is completed and I'm standing there looking at the space, the initial ideas then morph into a reality. And that for me is the most satisfying bit. If you're out there thinking about becoming a designer or looking for the next goal in your horticultural career, the Young Designer competition is a massive milestone and something that you should definitely consider entering. My top tip for anyone wanting to enter would be to ensure you have a good contractor and team around you, because you're really going to need their support throughout the whole show. Also, don't forget about the heat. You'll be in build during July. This is something that we semi-prepared for, however didn't fully. When we built the garden, we were dealing with some serious temperatures of around 30 degrees a day. We had so many bricks within our design which needed to be installed using an adhesive. However, the heat made this nearly impossible to do, and we ended up losing around 3 days trying to find something else to make this work. I mean, fortunately we did, however, ended up with a lot of time to make up. So just really plan for all eventualities. It opened up so many different doors and exciting opportunities for me. So again, a massive thank you to the RHS, our team, our supporters and sponsors for making it happen. It was an awesome experience, and if you're thinking about it, you should definitely give it a go.